Hello, my friends. This video is just a guide for how to manage MMUK website. So we're gonna go through quickly the website. So you have homepage. There is a banner. You can see some specific things are being promoted. Then you have upcoming event, which is at the moment like whichever is the next event coming. Then past events and the news are just different type of posts. So we'll see how that is done. Then under about us there are some pages, so who is in the committee, about Mahesh Samaj, and then the constitution, which is I think at the moment blank page, and then contact us is a simple form. So just to see. And then you have a footer, but we're not going to go in how to change the footer because there is no need normally. So we're going to quickly learn today how to manage this website. So these are the items we're gonna learn: how to create events and manage them, how to create the posts and manage them, news, which is another type of post effectively, and homepage. The banner on the homepage. How do we change it, and how do we change the top level menu? So the top level menu is all this: home, upcoming event, etc. So we're gonna learn that in this video. Uh, so to do this, what you have to do is basically you have to put the mmuk.org/admin to go on an admin panel where basically you log in. I already have username and password. You need to get that from whoever is in MMUK committee can provide you if you're making any changes. Uh, so once you are here, this is the dashboard. This is the page you enter in. Uh, we'll learn the events first. So we're going to go through the events very quickly. So let's assume you have to create an event. So on a left hand side dashboard, you see in the bottom there is a menu called Event Espresso. So that's a plugin. So in that menu, the top level menu is events. So you go on the events. Uh, then basically these are all past events. So we're going to create one new just to test this out quickly. So add new event. You press that. Let's say MMUK Park Run, for example. So I'm just making it up, and then you write something. This is uh, uh, this is a park run event organized by MMUK for Maheshwari families in UK. Let's put it this way, and I think I got the spelling wrong here. Quickly, you say the when the event is actually. So you just, let's say we say this event is on a 1st of June, and then you say when it's going to finish. Again, 1st of June. You say start time is 8 o'clock, looks all right for a run. Then you say it's going to finish at, like, let's say 10. And then you don't need to put all other stuff at the moment. You can create a ticket. Let's say there is a adult ticket, for example. This is £5. Then you can say that. And there is a child ticket, which is let's say £1. So you can do that. You can put another, again, limit. So how many tickets you want to sell? Let's say 300 here. And you can say when exactly you want to sell the ticket. So you can decide you want to sell this ticket from 6th of March till what? You want to probably sell it until probably 30th of May. For this example, let's agree that. And then you put the venue. Say maybe you want to say Hyde Park. Okay, I'm not gonna in this I'm not gonna put the address, but you can obviously always put the address, Hyde Park, and then it's in London, obviously, all we know. So then you can put more details if you want. You can select the post, you can put the postcode, etc. uh, so once you have done that, obviously you have to put some image. So what you would want to do is go in the, so just to remind, how did I go there? So I'll scroll down. On the right hand side there is a set featured image. You can either use the existing image, or you can upload a file from your computer or internet downloaded one. But let's say there was a image we already have, or you so at the moment I am just going to use an existing image just to show you quickly. But obviously you guys can upload the new image, which will come in a media library, and then you say in the bottom here on the right hand side, set featured image. So that will become an image. And let's say if I publish this, but before I publish, because I don't want this to go public, I will say make it private. So this is then only will be seen by people who are in the website, like logged in like me, username. It will be not a public. But normally, if you want to publish, you will say public, so it will go out to everybody. And then you press update. and let's see how this page looks like. So we have created an event, and let's see this event. So this event will look like this. You can see here private MMUK park run, and then it's coming as a, the adult ticket. Again, you can show detail. It's £5, and people can select how many tickets you want to buy, and then obviously they pay by the payment method, which is all integrated. Okay, so they can register now, and so let's say, let's try this. Does it do that? And say register now. So it will take you to the payment cycle and everything. So that's how, again, you make the make an event. So we learned how to make an event. Let's go back to the event, and if I want to make some change, right? So I'm going to go to the events here quickly and say edit, because you can see Hyde Park run, and let's say it's not in a Hyde Park, or you want to change the date, you want to only sell the ticket until 15th of May because you want to get ready for the program. So you want the team to be ready, and change, let's say, address Central London, and you put some number, phone number, and then you say update, and this will go, let's say, view event for a minute, and you see still it's updated. Now you can see Hyde Park venue is, and address is Hyde Park, so we did put that, we did put Central London, so it has appeared. So any changes you make, it will come and will be visible here. And this is your text, the original text. This is how you create an event. Okay, now I'm gonna go to home page and see how do I get this event on a promotion. So the way to do this is I will go to the pages, and then I'll go to home. Okay, and this is the slider which is for the banner was coming, and I will click on this button. So again, I'll click on this button on the gray, and then I'll say, okay, look, I want another one of this because this is our news. So we can say MMUK park run, and then we're gonna quickly select an image for this, again from library. Let's say this time we select the different image. So let's say this one. I don't think so, I have a better one. So let's put this one for now. So this is become a background image. Oh, we don't want to do background image. Background is always color. So let's change that. Set color to, let's say, red for now. But normally it comes by default is the orange color, or we can take the same color. What we need is definitely a slide image. So you need some sort of image. So let's put it this. This looks like more parkrun kind of image. So this will come on a slider, and that's it. Let's see how it comes. So if I do that, and what I want is people, when they go there, I want them to be able to see the event we just created when they click on the button. So I'm going to go quickly find this event. 1 second. So what you have to do is take this take this URL and button URL, and you say more details on the button, but let's say let's run. Let's call this button for now, let's run, so that we recognize as a different. So once you have saved this, so you can see we created this another MMUK parkrun slider. Once you've done that, you just press update. Okay, so now update should do the update. Let's go and see the page. So do we have the fourth item? Oh wow, red background. Let's run. Say, and if you click, it takes you to the page. All right, so you guys won't be able to obviously see this. It's only I can see this page because it's a private. but we are just trying to see how to do the event. Okay, now going back quickly, I think you guys have learned how to create an event. uh, Going back to the pages, home page, just to show you guys quickly. Home page. See. And what I want to do on a slider is, because we didn't put any text, so I'll click on this and say some text about it, right? Let's see what it does. Let's go to, sorry, so let's go and view the page. Let's go straight back to our slider, and you can see the small text is coming here, the one we just. So you guys learn how to do this. Quickly learn. So I'm gonna delete this because obviously I don't want this to be on a real website for now. So I'm gonna go and edit quickly, home page, and I want to edit this. So all simply I delete this and then say update, and it's gone. You will see that in 2 seconds. So if I now do the view page, you see it's not there. So we only have now 3. Back to 3. We had a 4 dots before. So that's how you do the home page. You create a new event and it's now published. Let's see an upcoming event. Look, you can see in our upcoming event now we have 2 events, because obviously the fact is the new event is coming on the next date, which is not expired yet, is coming in upcoming event. Yeah. Now let's see, how does this event go to the past events? Very simple. Let's go to the events. Okay, and let's set this to be expired, and let's see what it does. Okay, so I've done the expired. Now I want to go to the mmuk.org homepage. Obviously, let's see what it does. Come on. Sorry, internet is a little slow, so it's taking its time. Okay, and if I go in now, past events, obviously I don't see that. Oh, expired doesn't take it away, surprisingly, because date is still in the future, so probably it's programmed in the future date. Let's take the I can't change the date, so that's okay, ignore that for a minute. But yet there is a way to basically expire an event and that will not appear anymore. uh, Ignore for that. Now it's privately viewed, so it's not visible to anybody, and I can obviously delete it. Say I can move it to bin. That will take away into a bin. So let's do that for now, so you guys learn how to do an event. Move to bin, so it's not there anymore. And this was also in the morning. I just created to try to create this video, so I'm going to trash this as well. So these are our existing events. Now let's create a post of our run. So you'll go on a post in the top. That's easy. You just create a post and say MMUK park run. Oh, we had MMUK park run on June 1st, and it was really impressive. Loads of members, family, families participated. Okay, participated, let's say that for a minute. Again, you would want to sort of, so now you can decide whether this post you want to put it in the news or past events. So we will try to do that. And in this post, if you want to set a featured image, which obviously you always want to, again, you can upload the image if you don't have one by selecting the file. But let's say we want to use this image of people just to show that the turnout at the event. Yeah, so we use this sports type image, and let's set that as a featured image. And then again, visibility, I'm going to keep it private because I don't want anybody to see at this point of time, outside world. And I'll publish this in the news for now and see if I see. So yeah, now since I've deleted that event, you can see the upcoming event doesn't have anything other than the Mahesh Nami, so our marathon is gone. However, because we created this post and we published this post as a private in the news section, so when you'll go in the news section, we should see that, and you can see some text is coming. Okay, I can change the font to gray and everything is possible, but you can see this is private, nobody else can see. What I'm going to do is show you that this coming from news to now moving into the past events, that easy. And let's do that. So it's no longer here in the news, you can see it's gone. And if I go on a past events, and I'll see MMUK Parker. Very easy. Okay, so that's done as well. You can see it's so easy to do the website. Now let's look at the key thing, which is, so we done the events, we done the post, we done the news, we have obviously learned homepage, different order. Obviously we did this before. Now let's look at the top menu. This is quite interesting, by the way. So it took me like a few times to figure myself out. So you'll go in appearances, you'll go in the menus, and it's quite tricky one. You'll say you'll find something here. So let's put affiliates. So you have to have something already exist. Yeah. So let's put affiliates in a menu, and it comes here. And let's say we just do that for now and see what happens. Okay. Just to show you. Here you go. We have affiliates now on the top level menu. Okay. Again, I can get rid of this. Say remove, and it's gone. I can move things around, so I can make news go before past events. I can make this sub, or I can make this the same level as past events. So it is possible, right? And whatever you do, because now I've deleted it, you save the menu, and once you have saved it, I'll refresh, and now affiliate will go, and everything will be again in the right order, because I have just kept them in the right order. But I just showed you how to change stuff, right? So that's how you do it. In again, just to remind you, in appearances, when you click appearances, you have basically menu, so you have to go on a menu. Okay, menu here, look here. Okay, and I think that's all for you guys today. So I hope you guys have learned how to do the events, post, news, homepage, and top level menu. I hope you find this video useful when you want to make some changes to mmuk.org website. With that, all the best. Thanks. Bye.